Hi, I'm Barbara Slade, and welcome to the Story Academy. I'm really excited about some really great possibilities that lie ahead for me personally in my career, and also just really excited that we're going to be starting our workshops again with the Story Academy. I wanted to just talk a bit about the one that's coming up soon, Writing for Animation. I talked to an agent that I know really well, a couple months ago, and she said, "Guess what, Barbara? My only writers that are working are the animation writers." And I said, "Really?" And she goes, "Yeah, those are the ones that are working all the time now." And I just got back from teaching an animated workshop for a great company in Ireland called Screen Training Ireland. And they were getting funding to train their live action writers to write animation because there is such a demand. And I've just been hearing about that right and left for the last 6 months, that people are really needing great animation writers. So that's where you come in. Anyway, as you know, I do live action and animation, but there's a really strong place in my heart for animation, and I really hope you'll check out the workshop. Basically, animation is great. It requires not only really strong writing skills, script writing skills. You have to be a strong script writer. But on top of that, you have to learn the differences in what it takes to write a great animated script. You have to learn to really hook your audience and keep them hooked. Kids or adults, teenagers, whoever your show is for. Animation in itself requires, sort of a heightened, even more heightened than live action, style of writing. The pace needs to be quicker. Your scene structure and how you enter scenes and how you exit scenes needs to be tighter. You have to really know how to write dialogue for animation in, again, a more heightened way. You have to capture your characters in a more efficient, quick way than you would in live action. And then again, there's the basics of page count, scene length, how many scenes make up an animated script, timing, all that stuff. So there's a lot to learn. But you can do it. I taught myself, and I can't wait to kind of pass on those tricks to you.